In a world teetering on the edge of a new technological dawn, something extraordinary just happened. Two titans of artificial intelligence, Anthropic and OpenAI, have unleashed their latest creations, not with a quiet update, but with a digital shockwave that has been felt across the entire globe. Within a mere 26 minutes of each other, they dropped Claude Opus 4.6 and GPT-5.3 codecs. Let's be clear, this isn't just another software update. This is a declaration of a brand new era. The starting gun has fired on a race that will redefine our future. For months, the tech community, from Silicon Valley insiders to veteran coders, has been buzzing with rumors. We've all been speculating, trying to guess what the next giant leap in AI would look like, but absolutely no one predicted this. Two of the most advanced large language models on the planet, released in near unison, both ready to completely smash the boundaries of what we thought was possible. This isn't just a product launch, it's a history-making event unfolding in real time. So, let's break it down first. Let's talk about Claude Opus 4.6. This is Anthropic's new flagship model, and it's a monster in the best possible way. It boasts an unprecedented context window. We're talking about the ability to process and understand truly vast amounts of information with a level of accuracy that is simply stunning. The early reports from beta testers aren't just positive, they're revolutionary. We're seeing capabilities in complex reasoning, in deep data analysis, and in creative generation that were pure science fiction just a few years ago. Imagine an AI that can not only help you write a novel but can actually understand its themes, the motivations of its characters, and its emotional arcs with something that feels uncannily like human intuition. That's the promise of Opus 4.6. It's not just about processing words. It's about understanding meaning on a profound level. Then, just as the digital dust was starting to settle from Anthropic's announcement, boom! OpenAI enters the ring with GPT-5.3 codecs, building on the legendary, game-changing GPT series. This model is an absolute powerhouse of logic and code. OpenAI isn't just tweaking their existing formula. They're pushing the very definition of a coding assistant. It's not just about generating snippets of code anymore. GPT-5.3 Codex is designed to understand the very fabric of software development. Early access developers are reporting a seismic shift in their workflow. They're describing Codex not as a tool, but as a true collaborator. It's helping them debug incredibly complex systems, optimize algorithms for maximum efficiency, and even architect entirely new applications from simple, natural language prompts. Think about that. You describe what you want an app to do, and it helps you build it from the ground up. This is a massive leap forward for anyone who builds, creates, or works with software. But the timing of this, the near simultaneous release, raises a massive, crucial question. Is this a coordinated effort, a planned demonstration of power from the two leading AI labs? Or is this the opening salvo in an all-out war for AI supremacy? The insiders, the people who live and breathe this stuff, are completely divided. Some suggest this is a new level of strategic competition, a high-stakes game of digital chess where each move is meticulously calculated to outmaneuver the other. It's about capturing market share, attracting the best talent, and setting the agenda for the future of AI. Others, however, whisper of something a bit more raw, a silent, intense rivalry, a desperate race to the top that has now burst out of the labs and into the public domain. The gloves are off, and the two heavyweights are in the ring. The implications of this showdown are simply staggering, and they extend far beyond the tech world. For industries, from healthcare to finance, from entertainment to education, the game has fundamentally changed. These new models, Claude Opus 4.6 and GPT-5.3 Codex, represent an entirely new class of tool, a new form of intelligence that will unlock opportunities we can't even foresee yet, but also present us with brand new challenges. We are witnessing the dawn of a new digital ecosystem, one where human creativity and ingenuity are amplified by machine intelligence on a scale we have never, ever seen before. It's a partnership that will reshape how we work, how we create, and even how we think. So, what does all this mean for us, for the average person, for the developer, the writer, the student, the business owner? As these two AI giants vie for dominance, the pace of innovation is going to accelerate dramatically. Competition drives progress, and we are about to see a tidal wave of it. We are standing at a genuine crossroads in human history, looking at a future that is being written, quite literally, in real time by the code and capabilities of Claude Opus 4.6 and GPT-5.3 codecs. The two new kings of artificial intelligence have been crowned, and they've taken their thrones on the very same day. The big question now is, where will they lead us? This isn't just about faster computers or smarter apps. This is about the future of intelligence itself. So, in this series, we're going to dive deep. We'll explore the code, the controversy, the competition, and the consequences of this monumental day. We'll talk to experts, analyze the capabilities, and try to understand what this means for our jobs, our society, and our world. The future is no longer on the horizon, it's here, and it's more intelligent than we ever imagined. Make sure you're subscribed, because you are not going to want to miss what comes next. Thanks for watching.